Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty Ash. My name is Ashley and I will be going over this date night look that I have. And the hair is Friday Night Lace Wigs for $49.99. So I'm going to jump right into the video. Stay tuned. Alright, we're going to jump right into the video. I will be using my concealer brush to add my concealer on my eyelid. I always use the concealer on my eyelid because to me it's cheaper and the colors actually, to me, look very vibrant when you're using your eyeshadow. So I'm just adding this on the eyelid very evenly. Remember, what you do on one side, you must do the same on the other side of the eyelid. So I don't just do one eye, the makeup, the eyeshadow, and then do the other eyelid. I literally do one thing on one side and do the very same thing on the other eyelid. So I'm just adding everything evenly. Don't mind my hair. I literally threw this on because I'm laying my edges down so my wig can actually lay very closer to my head. So I'm going to be adding my favorite eyeshadow palette, which is the BH Cosmetic eye palette. They have some beautiful eyeshadow colors. I'm going to start with the light pink in the corner of my eyelid. And I'm just making sure I can see the color when I'm brushing and stroking the eyeshadow in. So you're going to see me keep looking to the side. I'm actually looking at my dress to make sure I'm picking up all of the bright colors because it is a very bright summery dress that I'm adding. So I'm now adding fuchsia pink next to the light pink. This way, when the colors come together, you can kind of see them more vibrantly on the eyelid. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the turquoise blue. And I know right now you see the hard lines with the colors of the eyeshadow, but you will be blending all of that in towards the middle of the video. So do not be alarmed, like, oh my gosh, her colors are just like right there. But no, I'm going to softly blend those colors in so it can come out very evenly together. So the next brush I would definitely suggest everyone to get is the defining eyeshadow brush. This is a very good brush. This is my e.l.f. brush that I have also purchased. To me, I always use this for the smoky look on the eye. So I am softly blending everything in slowly but surely with the eyeshadow brush, but I'm still going to add just a little bit of like an orange next to the pink, well, on top of the pink, just so my colors can come a little bit more together. And now I'm using the defining eyeshadow brush, and this is to really help blend like the smoky look of the blue, the turquoise towards the end of my eyelids. And now I am using my L'Oreal True Match foundation C7. I absolutely love this. Can be purchased at your local Walmart or drugstore. And always dab around the eyes and then stroke around the face. And I'm just blending everything in. And we were heading to a comedy show to see Tommy Davidson, which was a really good show. So that's why I'm making sure, I look very cute and sexy today. Well, not today, but you guys get what I mean. So I'm going to add the LA Pro Concealer High Definition under the eyelid. This is the yellow corrector. Eyelid, the nose, the forehead. I'm just going to blend it in. I'm dabbing around the eyes and then I will stroke out if need be, but just dab. You don't need to stroke for this part for the concealer. I'm just blending everything in with my foundation brush again. Blend, blend, blend. I absolutely love doing my makeup, by the way. It just makes me feel good. Just feel like an artist sometimes adding this. I did get a lot of compliments on this look as well. So I'm adding the eyeliner, the Wet n Wild eyeliner. You can purchase this at Walmart, Dollar Tree, your local drugstore. Even though I'm adding lashes, I still do my eyeliner. This is to clean up the eyeshadow that could have fell around the eyelids. Just making sure everything is on evenly. And then I am going to add my waterproof Maybelline Colossal mascara. Yes, I'm still adding lashes. I just add this just to get the residue of the eyeshadow off. I do not use eyeliner, just use mascara under the eyelids and on top, just to clean everything up to give a nice even dark effect. But yes, I am still putting not mascara, but my lashes on. And I have a couple of videos with this blush. I absolutely love this blush. This is the Mellow Wine blush, Wet n Wild, and I'm just putting it around my cheekbone with my, of course, blush brush. I'm just going to take my concealer brush to just clean everything up around my brows, forehead, so I don't have any hard lines that just wasn't smoothed in. And of course I'm using my foundation brush to kind of help smooth everything out so it can look evenly. I am now using my e.l.f. baked highlighter and bronzer. I'm using my fan brush to blend that in on the cheekbone, forehead, nose, chin. And you may just see me still touching up my eyeshadow, just anything I may see that should be softly blended together. And I may be adding, it looks like I'm adding a little bit more of the fuchsia to the eyes just so that can really pop. And the defining brush. Everyone, make sure you have one of these defining brushes. It really helps out in the corner of the eye to give more of a sexy, smoky look. Any kind of darker colors I would definitely suggest using with the defining brush. And again, I think I spent $1 for the defining brush, e.l.f. right at Walmart. And at this point, I'm going to do my lashes. I have, I think, 2 or 3 videos of how I apply my lashes. This is the magnetic lashes, so stay tuned. So now I have my lashes on already. I'm just going to do my final touch-up, which is the highlighting powder. This really gives a very like shimmery, bright, goldy, bronzy kind of color. With the right lighting, it really looks nice. So I always put this on last. You don't need a whole bunch, but just enough on the cheekbone to make it pop. And I'm going to use my setting spray, e.l.f. I love this because it sets everything. Spray, 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 spray. Then let it dry. I know it looks like a lot, but it's gonna dry. Very dewy and perfect. So I'm letting this dry. And then I will be just touching up anything that I see, like right here. I messed up a little bit with the mascara. I'm just gonna touch that up with my foundation. I don't just wipe it off because it will mess up the work that I have already put in. So I'm just gonna clean that up. And then I'm going to take off my scarf. All right, guys, so I put my earrings on and I laid my lace down. It should be pretty much dry. And I'm going to do a very like an iridescent lipstick, and I did put a little bit of purple under my lid, and I see a couple of things I need to touch up because actually I got something to eat. My husband brought sushi home, so just touching up my makeup again. Just gonna touch it up. Just touching up everything. All right, so I'm gonna put on my Wet n Wild makeup lipstick. It's called Brilliant Cherish. This here, Walmart, local drugstore. It's more like an iridescent. Nothing too bright, but you know, just enough. All right, and then I'm going to put on my dress. All right, so this is my date night outfit. This is the back. I purchased this dress from Rainbow for like, I don't know, $7.99, $5.99. And that's $7.99 to be exact. And this hair I've had for a while now. I might just do a little bit of a pop of color. But hey guys, so this is my date night hairstyle. Very sexy, you know. Alright, so tell me all what you think. Don't forget to hit the like